Hey, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon. Up for sale is my 1973 International Scout II. It's got a 345 engine with an automatic transmission on the floor. It's 4-wheel drive, and I'm just going to go over it and give you a better idea what it looks like, and then we'll do a little start it up and drive it around the property here. Original color is blue. It's got the hubcaps there. Chickens aren't included. Seems to be a pretty complete base to get going on your restoration, or just do a little tinkering, drive it as is if you want to. These things are pretty cool. Not as much as the old Broncos and Blazers, but they're getting there quick. This rig is from Minnesota. The owner just happened to drive it out to Oregon to see about living out here, and it didn't work out, so she was going back and not taking her Scout with her. The mirrors obviously need some work. Probably a different mirror, or just reattach these. The key does not work in this, so this needs a lock there. Windows roll up and down pretty well. Hinges seem pretty solid. Wind wing opens. Could use a visor on the driver's side. Upholstery's not too shabby. Got a little area there that needs some attention to, and a little split there. Scout does have AC. Seems to be pretty complete. I'm sure it needs gone through, charged, I don't know. Oh, I know it's not working. Needs a radio. Shows 99,497. Okay, for rust, got some down here. There seems to be a panel right there. A little rust there. And down engine mount area, or engine mount, body mount area, right down in here. That's all I can really see on this side. Got your blue dot. Stays up on its own. Pretty doggone straight body. This will be a relatively easy restoration. Could use some rubber on the back here. We had a similar rust pattern on this side, a little above the wheel well. Got a panel there. Side isn't as bad as the other side. Doors are in nice shape. There's up and down as well, with ease. Now I have not taken the floor up, and I'm not gonna, but I'll try to shoot some underneath. I don't think there's any rust through on the floor. I'll do my best to capture that. This mirror's not the greatest either. Looks like it's got a new starter in there. This is the worst of the body right here. But straight. Look at those seams. Little tiny ding there, little tiny ding there. 4-wheel drive works. I've put it in the 4-wheel drive high and low. Pop the hood. Nice hood. Pretty nice, complete engine compartment. There's your AC. And it's got all the lines going in. This is your 345 engine. I believe it's the 2-barrel. I actually haven't taken off the air cleaner. New interstate battery. Let's undo this and see what we got. Yep, 2-barrel. start her up. Brake lights on. As I can tell you, the pedal goes down and dang near to the floor, so you need some form of brake work. Alternator gauge is working. Oil pressure gauge, I believe, has been replaced down here. Temperature does work. I'm not so sure about the fuel. I don't even know how much is in it, to be honest with you. It's quiet. No knocking. Smooth running engine. It's got dual exhaust. Alright, I don't have insurance, I don't trust the brake, so I'm just going to cruise it around the property here.